Hi everyone! We are learning how to add two-digit numbers, and there's three ways we can do that. We can use our base 10 blocks, we can draw pictures, or we can use our standard algorithm. Today, in this video, we're going to be adding two-digit numbers using the standard algorithm. So, before we can add, we need to understand what a two-digit number is. A digit is any number between 0 and 9. When we have two of those numbers, like 6 and 3 together, that makes a two-digit number because 6 is a one-digit number and 3 is a one-digit number. When we have 63 like this, that means we have 6 tens and 3 ones. When we're adding two-digit numbers using the standard algorithm, we're going to be adding our ones together and our tens together. Let's try a problem. I'm going to take this number 63 and I'm going to add 25 to it. When I use my standard algorithm, I need to make sure that my ones are with my ones and my tens are with my tens. One way I can do this and to make sure that they're together is I can use a T-chart. This helps me to stay neat and organized while I'm adding. So I have my tens on one side and my ones on this side. Our ones are always on the right and our tens are always on the left. We always start with the ones column when we are adding. So we're going to start by adding 3 plus 5. And I know that 3 plus 5 equals 8. So 3 plus 5 equals 8. I put that 8 right underneath my ones column. Now I can go to add my tens. I have 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 also equals 8. When I write this 8, I'm going to make sure I put it under my tens. So 63 plus 25 equals 88. Now sometimes though, when we add up our ones, we get numbers that are greater than 10. And that is when we're going to need to regroup. In our next problem, I'm going to show you how to regroup using the standard algorithm. Here's my problem, 36 plus 28. Just like before, I'm going to start in my ones column. So I'm going to add up 6 plus 8. And I know that 6 plus 8 equals 14. So if I write and I'm putting my answer in the ones column, I have a 1 and a 4. That makes another two-digit number. Now, this 4 is in the ones place, so it can stay here. But this 1 is in the tens place. That means I have to add this to my tens. So to do that, I'm going to take this 1 and I'm going to regroup it up into my tens column. Now I can just add these three numbers together. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. So 36 plus 28 equals 64. Let's try another problem where we have to regroup. My next problem is 79 plus 12. First, I need to add up my ones. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 is a two-digit number that has a 1 in the ones place and a 1 in the tens place. So I put my 1 from my ones place here, and the 1 from the tens place goes with my tens. Now I can add up my tens. 1 plus 7 is 8, plus 1 more is 9. 79 plus 12 equals 91. Let's do one more problem with regrouping using the standard algorithm. Our last problem is 56 plus 27. First, I add up my tens. First I add up my ones. My ones are 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7 equals 13. 13 is a two-digit number with a 1 in the tens place and a 3 in the ones place. So I put my 3 in the ones place and I bring the 1 up to the top of my tens place. Now I can add my tens and I'm going to add 1 plus 5 equals 6 and 6 plus 2 equals 8. So 56 plus 27 equals 83. That's how we add two-digit numbers using the standard algorithm.